Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a trademark symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a trademark symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just open this book inside this and just going to zoom inside this. So here I just going to click inside the cell, just double tap here, and now we just need to insert the trademark symbol. So there is insert symbol option here, but there is no insert symbol option present in the insert column. There is only chart shapes like that you can just insert it. So you just use your keyboard as an alternative. Here I just using Google keyboard. You can just download it from the Play Store. So click on this number section here, click on this extra symbol section here, and you can find the trademark symbol that available here on the keyboard. And the second way that you can just insert trademark symbol, just click on this emoji section, just type as trademark here, and you can just insert trademark. So these are the two ways that you can insert trademark symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.